Hi everyone. So this is my first tutorial and I decided to make this tutorial on ChemDraw Ultra. ChemDraw Ultra is a Cambridge software and it comes under ChemOffice package. And ChemDraw Ultra is primarily used to make 2D or 3D models. 2D models primarily, 2D models of molecules or drugs of your interest. And if you want to make 3D model, then there's another software called Chem 3D, which also comes under Chem Office package. From there you can get it. So in order to draw 2D or 3D models, you have to download Chem Office package. So now let's start and see how we can draw 2D models of drugs or molecules. So there's two options now. First comes the first one is if you know any molecule or drug and if you want to just type the name and get the structure. So for that, in that case, you have to go to structure menu, and this is ChemDraw Ultra open, and you have to go to the structure menu shown here, and then you have to go to convert name to structure, this option, and a dialog box appear here like this. You have to insert the name of molecule or drug of interest. So you can also write IUPAC name or here, like I want to know the structure of morphine, so I will just type morphine here. Alright, and just click on it, paste name below structure, and click on OK, and you can see the structure of morphine has been depicted here. So this is the structure of morphine, okay, and you can see the name here. Alright, so like morphine, we can also draw many other molecules or drugs. So like this time I'm using an IUPAC name, like N-butanol, let's say. I'm writing it here as N-butanol, and this is the IUPAC name, and let's see what structure it shows. So you can see the structure of N-butanol has appeared, and this is basically N-butanol with IUPAC name below. Alright, so this is a very cool idea of getting 2D structure. Another thing through which you can draw 2D models, like if you don't know the name and you want any molecule, you want to draw any molecule of your choice, okay? So in that case, you can see the toolbox here. There are various tools inside it. So let's see what are those tools. The first one is lasso, and I will show how it works. And this one is marquee, and it is used to select the molecules basically. This is a solid or bond. Solid bond is used to create, just like you can see it as. So this is solid bond, you can create it like that. This is a eraser, and this is multiple bonds, like if you want double bonds, triple bonds, or like that, then you can just get it from here. All right, so and this is text if you want to write any oxygen name or like that. Okay, so this is dash bonds, this is a pen, this is a hash bond, and various arrows used to depict chemical reactions and all that you will get here. Okay, like if you want to show the equilibria or anything like that. The next is wedge bond and hollow wedge bond. These are some type of brackets used. Okay, and this is wavy bond, and here are also some signs used while reactions, like carbocation, carbon anion, positive negative sign, all that. Query tools. Okay, and then it is a table. This is a TLC plate. This is acyclic chain. Like if you want to draw any number of chains, like during soap, we have long chains of fatty acids. So this is basically used to draw that. Another is there are templates like amino acids, aromatics, conformations, cycloalkanes, CP rings, pH rings, polyhedra, RNA templates, stereo centers. There are lots and lots more here. Okay, the next is cyclopropane ring, 3-membered, 4-membered, 5-membered, 6-membered, 7-membered, 8-membered. Let's see, try it. So you can drag and just use it. This is cyclohexane. Okay, and chair, and this is basically chair conformation. So this is chair cyclohexane ring. Okay, and this is the cyclopentadiene ring, and this one is the benzene ring. All right, just tap on it and draw any structure like this. Okay, so this is very easy. Okay, so now let's draw some molecules. So first select all these and click on backspace. Alright guys, so let's practice it making some more molecules of compounds. So the first one which I'm going to try here is anthraquinone. Okay, so for anthraquinone, I'm going to select a benzene ring from this toolbox. You can see at the bottom, this is the benzene ring. I'm going to select it and just drag it here. Okay, so you can rotate it like that, and if you want it any specific position. So I want benzene ring to appear at like this. Sorry, yeah, it's perfect. Okay, so like this, and then I want two cyclohexane rings. So I'm just going to select cyclohexane ring from here, and as the blue box appears, I'm just going to click, and this ring will be placed here. Okay, similarly another. Okay, so you can see the two cyclohexane ring has been placed here. Now I want multiple bonds. Okay, so I'm just going, you can see this is the multiple bond options. I'm just going to click and select it, and where you want to place the multiple bond, as the blue square box appears, just click on it. Okay, and you will see that the double bond has appeared here. All right, likewise, I want it at this position and at this position. So also I want double bond at this position. I will just click and drag it. Okay, just click and drag it. Okay, so it will form. Now I want oxygen atom to place it here and at the bottom. So I'm just going to select text. Okay, and typing as O. So the oxygen atom will appear here, and at the bottom also O. Right, so you can see the structure of anthraquinone has been prepared. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to select it, and I'm going to click structure, and I'm going to click convert structure to name, and you can see the structure, the name of this compound has been placed at the bottom. So it's the name of the structure is anthracene 9,10 dione. All right, so like this you can draw many other molecules. Alright guys, so next I want to draw the structure of suppose cholesterol. So for cholesterol I need a cyclohexane ring. I'm going to select here cyclohexane ring and place it like this. Okay, another cyclohexane ring, I want to place it just adjacent to it, and yet next at this position. All right, now I need a cyclopentane ring, so I'm just going to select it and going to place it here like this. Now I need a single bond, so I'm just going to select it single bond here, and there are various positions where I need a single bond. At this position, another at this. Okay, the next one is that there, and next is like this. At here I want to draw this structure like that. Okay, so by dragging you can draw any molecule, and this is quite very easy. Alright, so you can see the structure of cholesterol has been ready. I'm going to select it, and I'm going to clean up structure. Okay, so what cleanup structure does, it just cleans your structure, it just clarifies, it just makes your bonds perfect. All right, so you can see the structure of oh sorry, it's incomplete. Now I need to place a text at the bottom, and here is OH group. Okay, now it's the structure is cholesterol is completed. I'm going to select it, and again let's go to the structure and click on convert structure to name. All right, so you can see the name as depicted below. All right, so these are the ways through which you guys can make or sketch 2D models. All right, it's really very easy guys. Practice it at home, and I must say it's really very easy and everyone can do it. All right, so if you have any comments, please wrote it down on comments box. Thank you so much guys.